This is a room tour for room 730 at the Hilton Logan Airport. And we will start. It's interesting. So remember these from cruises, of course. This one's got a permanent, we're going to keep that on kind of thing going. So I guess they had complaints. We have a nice bathroom. Hi. We have Crabtree is the brand for our toiletries, and we have a hair dryer and some, oh, there's also a plug here. And we have soap, we have towels, we have a picture if we need one, we have extra toilet paper and a toilet. And then here we have fluffy towels and your basic shower. And here are our amenities. All right, let's see. And of course a hook on the back of the door. This little tiny thing here, this is the closet. It's very small, but it is serviceable. You have iron and ironing board, hangers galore, and a luggage rack. And this is our room. Isn't this nice? Okay, between the beds we have a very good sized end table. And just look at this lovely power here and on the lamp. There's lots of power here. And this is a good sized safe. Look at that. I mean, there's all kinds of room in here. And that does not open, which kind of makes sense, it being a safe and all. You can see we have a lovely view of the airport. Okay, over here we've got the desk. We've got power on the lamp, which is good because I don't think there's anything in the wall. Yeah, there's nothing in the wall that's a free. So, just the lamp, one outlet. And then here we've got some deep drawers in the credenza, nice and deep. These are all the same, except here we have the cooler, which is fairly good sized, not bad. A couple of things of water, something for ice, and a big TV, okay? And let's take a look at this view for just a minute because it is an airport view. You can see the planes going. So that's fun. Okay. This is the end of our tour. Solo Sue signing off.